The 2005 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, fog lamps, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.